as an Aries, kailangan talaga bumalik yung energy mo. Okay? So, kailangan you're always active. Okay? You always have plan. Okay? So, kailangan yung mga nasa isip mo, kailangan binabalanse mo yung meron tayong awareness or binabalance mo yung mga gasto. Okay? So, whatever you think for the fast, you need to let go. Okay? Moving forward is good for you. Okay? So, nakikita ko naman talaga dito eh. Mayroon ka prosperity ang darating because the Virgo is here. But syempre naman, whatever is the plan, kailangan you have a long patience. Okay? You have to wait for that. Okay? So, kailangan mahabang pasensya mo. So, whatever you think also, whatever you think, okay? Ito kasi sabi dito, this is the authority. Yan. So, kailangan have a confidence. Yeah. And balance